everyone. Welcome. You too. You are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers,